How to fix Clapper app poor connection error. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Clapper app poor network problem. The solution is super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So start by opening the settings app on your phone and go to the apps. From there, simply tap on manage apps. And in this section, you have to find and select the Clapper from the list. And in the Clapper app section, you simply have to tap on clear data. And after tapping on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From there, you simply have to tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache might help you fix the bugs within the app. So it is a really effective method. Now with this, let's head to the step 2. That is to toggle airplane mode. You simply have to turn on airplane mode on your device and wait for a few seconds, and after that you can simply turn them off. And with that, make sure your Wi-Fi is working properly and connected to a stable network. Now at last, step 3, that is to restart your phone. Finally, you can restart your phone, and after that your Clapper app should be working perfectly and the poor network issue will be resolved. And that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.